Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enroll into online banking for Kearny Bank. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.kearnybank.com and enter. You'll end up in the home page of Kearny Bank, which looks like this. Go to the login button in the upper right hand corner if you already have an account and enter your username and your password to log into your account. But if you have not enrolled into online banking yet, you can simply click on this Enroll Now link right beneath the Submit button. Click on OK from the pop-up, and now this will open up a new tab for you. Select the account type from where you would like to enroll with, and then type in your account number that your bank has provided to you. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your social security number. Now, type in your PIN number, that is your last four of your social security number or your telephone banking PIN number. You can type in any one of them. And then head over to the next field, type in your date of birth, head over to the next field and type in your email address. And then confirm your email address one more time in the next field. Finally, after typing in all of your information, click on Begin Enrollment. Your social security number will be verified and you'll be guided on what to do next if you follow the instructions. That is how you'll be able to enroll for online banking into Kearny Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.